मैं अपने नतائज के बारे में सारी रात रोता रहा।
I cried all night about my results. I cried all night about my results.
उसे अपने दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए भागना पड़ा।
He had to run to catch up with his friends. He had to run to catch up with his friends.
वो अपनी जान से अपने बच्चों की हिफाजत करेगी।
She will protect her kids with her life. She will protect her kids with her life.
दीवार के साथ खाके थे।
There were drawings along the wall. There were drawings along the wall.
मुझे गेट पर हरकत का पता चला।
I detected movement at the gate. I detected movement at the gate.
वो इसकी चोट पर घबरा गई।
She panicked at his injury. She panicked at his injury.
मैंने अपने अलार्म को मतहरक करके ब्रेक उनको रोका।
I prevented a break-in by triggering my alarm. I prevented a break-in by triggering my alarm.
खौफ से इसके दांत पीस रहे थे।
Her teeth were clenched with fear. Her teeth were clenched with fear.
शायद मैं पहेली को हल कर सकूं।
I might be able to solve the puzzle. I might be able to solve the puzzle.
मेरी बेटी सारा दिन भीड़ भरी नजर आती थी।
My daughter looked sheepish all day. My daughter looked sheepish all day.